Hello, I'm Cyrus Paraka. I'm course co-director with Vinay Chandrasekhar for ASG's ERCP Bootcamp for the GI team. This takes place November 22nd and 23rd at ASG's IT&T Center in Downers Grove, Illinois. And there are 3 ways to participate. You can either come in person, stream online real-time, or see it on demand. It's a unique and unusual team-based course that really welcomes all members of the team for ERCP, not just the doctors, but the nurses and the techs. Multiple topics were included, including things ranging from endoscopy processing to use of different tools, indications, and tips and tricks for ERCP. There's also a unique hands-on opportunity for the entire team as well, and we hope to see you there.